Stop scrolling. If you love crispy potatoes, melty cheese, and easy comfort food, this cheesy, crispy potato rose is about to become your new obsession. Let's make it. First, I peel my potatoes and slice them into thin, even layers. Tell me, where are you watching from? Then I soak them in cold water for 10 minutes. This keeps them flexible and removes extra starch. While the potatoes are soaking, let's prepare the filling. I finely chop an onion, heat some oil in a pan, and saute it until golden. Next, I add chopped spring onions and give them a quick stir. And should I make the next one spicy, extra cheesy, or with a different filling? I can't wait to read your comments. Now I chop half of a colorful bell pepper and add it in. Time for the protein. I add ground chicken and fry everything until the meat is cooked and lightly browned. For seasoning, I add salt, black pepper, paprika, If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious and creative potato dishes. Then I mix into tablespoons of tomato paste and cook it until everything becomes rich, fragrant, and beautifully colored. The potato slices are ready now. I drain the cold water, then pour boiling water over them and let them sit for another 10 minutes so they soften perfectly for shaping. After draining them again, I season the potatoes with salt, black pepper, paprika, and a touch of oil. This helps them roast into a beautiful golden color. I place the cooked chicken filling in the center of a plate. Then begin shaping the potatoes around it like a blooming rose. Layer by layer, the golden slices wrap around the filling to create this beautiful flower shape. I bake it in the oven for 20 minutes until the potatoes start turning golden and slightly crispy. Now the best part, cheese. I add a generous amount of mozzarella on top. Put it back into the oven for another 20 minutes. And look at that, a perfectly melted, golden, cheesy potato rose. Absolutely stunning. Crispy edges, soft layers, juicy filling, and that melted cheese. It looks fancy, but it's incredibly easy to make. This is comfort food at its best.